Hello and welcome to not just a show but an experience called High Life Dubai. मैं हूँ उमा और आज का एपिसोड बहुत ही स्टार स्टडेड और रॉकिंग है. They came, they saw, they rocked. Get up close and personal with the Rock On team exclusively on High Life Dubai. कास्ट से लेके स्क्रिप्ट तक, म्यूजिक से लेके डायरेक्शन, everything in this movie was bang on. Yes, you're right. I'm talking about Rock On, the concert that recently rocked Dubai. So, what are we waiting for? Let's create the magic. Director, actor, and now singer. Are you irritated with this question?
Is that a question?
Yeah, I mean everybody's asking.
Sorry, I didn't quite see the question. But no, no, it's not.
You're not irritated. Okay, so how did acting happen to you?
How did it happen? It sounds like a disease almost. No, but I heard the script of Rock On. I like the script of Rock On very much. I like the character that I was asked to do in it. So I agreed. I felt comfortable enough, and at that point, given the material, confident enough to be able to do it. So which is why I did. And while I was doing it, I really did enjoy the process of acting, and it gave me a little more confidence to take on something like a Luck by Chance subsequently after that. So it started from the fact that the script and the character were really better.
And singing?
Actually, singing was when Abhishek met me. He was very clear that whoever plays the role of Aditya in the film should also sing his own songs, because he wanted the band to be like a believable band, which is why Arjun learned to play his guitar parts, Luke learned the keyboard, Purab learned the drums, so that when we are in the film, when you watch us performing on stage, it doesn't look like that very typical kind of film band that you've seen, you know, where something else is playing in your fingers or somewhere else and stuff like that. So everybody learned that he wanted us to look like a band and make it believable for the audience.
Purab, you've done so many different kinds of roles. When Rock On script came to you, did you get hooked onto it immediately or you thought about it?
Rock On came to me, actually I kind of went to Rock On. I heard about Abhishek casting for the film, and I called him and I said, I heard you're a director and you're casting, and can I come and see you? And I really didn't know too much about the film. I was an actor and I was looking for work, and someone suggested Abhishek was casting. It's a good film. I didn't even know actually Excel was involved with it. I just called him and I said, I want to come and see you. So I went in to meet him, and I think at that point of time, Abhishek's biggest concern was Joe. You know, he was Sky Guide. He had not cast Joe yet, and Farhan and Luke were already in the picture. And so when I went to meet him, he looked at me, he talked to me for a while, and he said, you know, actually I'm really concerned about a character called Joe right now, but when I talk to you, I think you can play a character called KD that I also have in the film. So I didn't know anything about the film. I said, okay, whatever you think, I'll test for. And I tested with him. We did one round of testing. It was really quite funny, and he thought it was too caricatures to show the producers. So he didn't show it to them. He did another round.
At least that's what he told him.
Yeah.
Oh, he didn't.
So did you experience any casting couch?
With Abhishek? Yeah, there's a very hard wooden stool in his office.
Look, you already have a band of yours. How was shooting the movie and having your experience?
Well, I think at some point in time we stopped being actors and on a film set. We became friends, and we just started jamming with Farhan, pick up guitar, and we'd all sing along. And it felt like somewhere in between, somebody had set up cameras and had captured the whole moment, and that's what came off on screen. So yeah, absolutely. Like being with friends, the whole crew and everybody who worked on the film.
Arjun, you are amazingly good looking. And this role was, of course, concentrating more on your, kind of character and talent. So, what did you think about this role when it came to you?
Well, actually, it came to me in Jodhpur, where Farhan and I were at a magazine launch. When he told me in Jodhpur that I'm doing a film, and I think there's a character there for you, and it's about a band, and it's about a rock band, and he said it's going to be his first film, and he's going to be playing the lead singer in it. Immediately, I don't even think I'd read the script. I hadn't even got the script. I said it sounds fantastic, because I knew it would be made with the correct sensibilities and with everybody that was coming on board with it. So I think that's what you look for in terms of looks and whatever. I think in all my movies I try to act the best that I can, but sometimes my looks come in the way.
When four women are working together, there are a lot of things happening. Not so pleasant
Four
things.
women?
What about men issues? Did you guys have any men issues, ego hassles or something like that?
No, none.
Yeah, it was the only time we were really scared of each other was I think when we were doing that scene where we all jumped into the lake together.
Okay.
Yeah, so what was happening underwater you don't know. But
Jumper anyway.
We were all scared for Luke.
What do you guys think about Dubai?
We've got this wonderful opportunity to come here, do a concert, also to be associated with the Autism Center. It's been a wonderful experience. We went there just forming all of us, met the faculty there, the teachers, some of the students. It's wonderful to be here and be associated with that as well. So it's like a bonus to be having a concert along with that.
What about you? What do you think about Dubai?
I think we are looking forward to a great evening. It's a bit scary. I mean, it makes you a bit nervous also. Go up on when you're shooting a film and you're doing the concerts in a film. You know it's for a camera, but when you're doing it for a live audience, there are certain frights, stage frights that I'm sure we all have, especially Farhan because.
I'm going to sing.
Absolutely.
But one has seen him actually overcome a lot of it over the concerts that we've done. In fact, he just.
Thanks for the additional pressure.
what happened with Dubai and like the question.
Here I'm just getting nervous. I'm thinking relax. I've done my breathing this morning. I've done all my breathing this morning. Feeling completely. He's really worried.
He's very nervous.
But what's that got to do with Dubai?
I know.
No, it feels
What do
great
you
to
like
see.
about Dubai as a city? I mean, the women or the city or anything.
Well, I haven't seen too much of Dubai yet, to be honest.
He got picked up at the airport. As soon as he
my
landed,
God.
he got picked up at the
He's still
airport.
blushing. Look at
Can
him.
you believe it? But it was a cop.
Women in uniforms.
Very nice
Look.
No, Dubai is, it's always been kind of like the oasis in the desert of the Middle East. And they've always been supportive of, of Lee cinema in such a way. And they've always been supportive of everything that is to do with art and culture and music, more importantly, in many ways. And then the fact that they've, kept the flame alive in their hearts for Rock On till so long after the film is released is absolutely overwhelming.
I think Dubai is a fantastic city. In fact, we've spent a lot of time here in the last 1 year. I think it's a great city. I think just the infrastructure, the facilities, it's really children friendly as well.
It's nice because from the time you land, they really kind of take care of you.
Yeah, they're
Like
great
you landed, the
hospitality.
first thing they did was they checked my eyesight.
Yeah, yeah. बिल्कुल सब कुछ check कर लेते हैं हम लोग.
I felt really special. They were like, my eyesight is good. You can go.
No, but the hospitality here.
And that's what it was. They were checking my eyesight.
Yeah.
And all the hotels
Check
here
whether
have-
you are illegal immigrant.
Oh, is that? Sorry, I thought they would be nice.
शायद पहले आए थे और visa
It's like the prescription.
fly the plane back.
I thought they'd recommend some glasses or something. Oh, it wasn't that. Sorry.
No. So you're legal.
And the nicest part of, I think, Dubai also is one of the nicest things about it that all the hotels have the biggest bathrooms, and I love you. Yeah.
Okay, that's the only reason why Arjun likes Dubai.
Quality of the food over here is in different.
Yes, I know. I was going to tell that to you guys because you guys look so thin. My God, don't you guys eat?
Gluten.
My God, really thin. And Dubai has fantastic food.
We just buy clothes wisely.
Extra large clothes so that we just hang on.
It's like hanging on.
Last but not the least, any message? Rock On was all about following your passion, following your dream. Any message for our audiences all over the Middle East?
Firstly, I think the most important one is thank you for all these years of supporting our films, supporting our work. I think that's we really do appreciate it. And as far as Rock On goes, the message